Roosevelt Roads Naval Station, which has been reactivated under President Trump. Thank you, National Defense. And we're here in Yunque Peak and Yunque Tower. We're at a little over 3,000 feet, I think 3,400, 3,300, somewhere in there. You can see the mist and the clouds coming in through these cool windows. Not sure what year this structure was built. We'll sing one quick verse of Be Thou My Vision. Be thou my light, shield sword for the fight. Be thou my dignity, thou my delight. Thou my sole shelter,